Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a tune in Forza Horizon 6. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in the tune menu, and there are heaps of different options and heaps of different ways I can tune my car. Now, let's say if I'm happy with this current tune, all I need to do is select the Setup Manager button, and now select Apply and Save Setup. Once I'm in this menu, this is the Save Tune menu. I'll just select it and I can just type in the new save file name. Once that's done, your tune will be saved and you are able to make a description and select different keywords to, properly identify your tune. Once you're happy with that, hit share and it will be successfully uploaded. And that's how you share a tune on Forza Horizon 6.